services during this health camp.
Da ka jingtmu ban pin sapriang jingtip Shakin Nongseng Kam Ladi ka Reserve Bank of India Shillong kala Pynlong ya ka Jingialang halor ka micro, small and medium enterprises ha Thangbuli Village Club Hall Amlarem West Giant Hills District minta ka sngi. Unavnit Singh Nagar DGM RBI Shillong ulam mat phang halor ka jingkong san jong ka jingpenlong ya ka ne ka jingelang halor ki MSME hapdeng ki bamdon bank account bat ki badon bank account kum shibenta ban pin sapriang jingtip shaphang ka jingmentoy ki bala ban yo na ki bank na ka benta ki nong sengkam la jong ka bapenya so ya ki breu ki bamdon bank account syakar kombu pisah ha ki bank bat ban sngap ya ki jing e jong ki nong sengkam la jong ka bakia kendu da ka bebu pisah ha ki bank.
In our country, the MSME sector holds a unique position as it employs millions of citizens, fosters inclusiveness, plays an instrumental role in achieving the nation's aspirations for self-reliance and economic development. While on the other side of this ecosystem are the banks and financial institutions, which are represented here today, and their role in providing financial support, guidance, expertise is equally important towards taking the MSME sector forward.